Alright, we're given this function d of x equals x cubed plus 1/2 x. And we're supposed to take this function and we're doing a transformation. The transformation is that you do something to the function and you get a new function. It's kind of like it's your birthday, right? You got some cool presents and then like you apply stuff to your face, your hair, your new clothes, your new phone, whatever it is, right? We've been thinking about, if you put your pen or pencil or finger here, we've been asking this question. Is this on the inside or outside? Class, is this inside or outside? This is inside the parentheses. Now, you can just have your formula sheet out. And if it's on the inside, then you have the letters B or C. Is it to the left of the X or to the right? It's to the left. So it is a B value. My B value in this problem is 1/2. Okay. Yesterday we learned to start here on our formula sheet with this polynomial, and what it does is it affects the order pairs. So we learned to end right here. Now, in this problem, I don't have an A, I don't have a C, I don't have a D. So I don't have an A, C, or D. I only have a B value. And so I'm going to have to write 1 over bx comma y. Notice how I eliminated the A, C, and D. So 1/2 b x comma y. Now here's the hard part for this problem. I have to take b equals 1/2 and put it here. I have to put a fraction inside of a fraction. So it's going to look like this. 1 over 1/2 x comma y. So how do I simplify this? Let's simplify this together. I'm going to take this vertical fraction and turn it horizontally. 1 divided by 1/2. I'm going to change the division sign to multiplication. So I have from division to multiplication, but in order to do that, I have to flip the second expression. So instead of 1/2, I'm going to write what? 2 over 1. In class, what is 1 times 2? My answer is 2. Okay, what does this mean for us? It means that all of this is going to turn into 2x comma y. Let's put a big red box so you don't get confused. Okay, yesterday we learned to just kind of end up with this order pair, but we're not sure what it does. So in today's lesson, you'll notice that the y value are going to be the same. The y value is going to be the same. But the x values, we're going to have to multiply by 2. So if I put in my x value, class, what's 2 times 0? 2 times 1. And then 2 times 2, 4. So these are now my new order pairs. Suppose that k of x is d times 1/2 x. Use the reference points to complete the table of values. So we completed the table of values. Then use the properties of symmetry. So let me demonstrate to you how to use properties of symmetry to graph it. So let's go ahead and do that. Pick your favorite color. I'm going to use green. And I'm going to graph these order pairs. So there's the parent function, right? The parent got married to another parent and they have kids. So 0, 0. Right 2 up 3 halves, so $1.50. And then right 4 up 9. So you might be asking, how do I graph? I know my graph has to come down here into the left side, so how do I do that? Here is the symmetry. Well, we already know that this is an odd has odd symmetry. What does that mean? It's going to be rotated 180 degrees. Okay? So, instead of going right 2, up 1.5, I'm going to go where? Left 2, down 1.5. Instead of going right 4, up 9, where am I going to go? Left 4, down 9. Now 9 is not actually on the graph. And this is what my graph looks like. And here's the big idea, the conceptual. What happened from the green to the parent graph? It looks like it's a horizontal stretch. How do I know it's a horizontal stretch? B equals 1/2. B is between 0 and 1. It is stretched horizontally by a factor of 1 over B. Okay, so kind of tying it all together now. We basically take our letters, figure out what letter we have. We affix the order pair. Letter affects the order pair. We get these order pairs. You graph them. And then symmetry, we know that it has to be in quadrant 3. And that's how you get your graph.